We have Apurva joining us on the broadcast with more details on the current situation. Apurva, very good morning to you. Today was supposed to be the day that fans were looking forward to, with Jananayagan's release date initially being January 9th. But now, with all the delays and everything that we are seeing, I want you to also bring us a pulse of the public sentiment out there, because we've been discussing about politics. So yes, you take us through the politics right now on the situation, but also bring us the public sentiment out there.
Well, a very good morning. It was supposed to be a joyous morning here for Jananayagan fans, Vijay Thalapathy fans here in not only Tamil Nadu but across the world, as Jananayagan was all set to release today worldwide. And as you can see, we're right now at Rohini Theatre, and just by the posters that have been set here in a grandeur manner, you can also see what is the kind of expectations the fans have of Thalapathy. Time in and time out, we've seen every Thalapathy fan there who have eagerly been awaiting to catch Jananayagan on screens there, catch their favorite leader, their Thalapathy on the big screens for one last time, as he has promised today, that is on January 9th. But unfortunately, we do see that there's been some kind of issues that has been going on with the movie's certification that is yet to come in. In fact, the case is ongoing right now at the Madras High Court, and we are looking at the hearing all likely to continue on today as well. What is going to be the Madras High Court's verdict today? Will the fans finally get to see the light of Thalapathy Vijay on the big screens today for Jananayagan? That's something that we'll have to wait and watch. But eagerly, all the fans in and around, not only in India but also across, are eagerly waiting. In fact, actors, politicians, everybody who are, who have their love for Thalapathy have come out and have taken to social media and several other areas as well, reaching out, giving their condolences, saying, yes, this delay, is unfortunate and unforeseen, that had taken place, but that does not deter the spirit of Thalapathy fans, is what people have come out and said in mass numbers as well. In fact, at Rohini Theatres, this is in fact unnaturally very, very dull right now. But if had it been Jananayagan that was releasing today, this entire area, let me remind you, would have been completely chock-a-block with Thalapathy fans who are not only extremely celebrating in a grand manner. There would have been fireworks, there would have been Palabhishekam that was being done for this poster of Thalapathy that I can show you as well. All preparations that had been made for Jananayagan to be released today, but unfortunately we do see that there hasn't been any release as well. In fact, let me just go across to one of these fans. Bro, இன்னைக்கு Jananayagan release ஆகும்னு நீங்க expect பண்ணீங்க. How do you feel?
Well, we were very excited actually, and we were looking forward, but looks like the politicians had another choice. Looks like my man is already winning. This is last film, and we people are the voters here. So the election will decide the results. Everybody is out here are not happy at all. I mean, we were expecting and all that. One last time, if you wanna be fight with the politician Vijay, not with the actor Vijay. So this is the first sign of win for Vijay.
As you can see, their strongs clearly saying that this is not, it's not going to be just one line of action that will be taken. Fight with the politician Vijay, not actor Vijay, is what you can see fans clearly here stating. Disheartened that the film had not been released today, yes, but undeterred in their spirit, as Jananayagan is all likely to be released sometime or the other, and that's the date that Thalapathy fans are waiting for eagerly. Back to you.
Absolutely, Apurva. In fact, the situation at that very theatre, and it's a historical place when we speak of big releases, it's quite a contrasting picture that we can see, quite empty compared to what the teaser releases had already seen, the kind of crowds that it had already garnered. And with that particular part, Apurva, I'll take another question from you with regards to how this movie's delay in release has indeed affected the project at large. I mean, we're talking of a massive investment as well, and how it's been panning out in the court of law. Today we will be taking a look at the final decision of the Madras High Court in this situation. But overall, if we just take a look of how things have gone down for Vijay in this entire movie, the production cost that's also at stake at this given point of time because of this very delay.
Well, that's right. In fact, at the recent argument at the Madras High Court there, the team for the production company had also argued, saying that there was a lot of money that had gone in for, making of Jananayagan. This apart from the release that had been expected. There was a grand expectation all set for Jananayagan to be released today, parallel to Parasakti there. Yes, we do have two, back-to-back films that were set to be released. One Shiv Karthikeyan's Parasakti and this being Thalapathy Vijay's Jananayagan, all set to be released today. And unfortunately, with the certification yet to come in, the film producers as well as, the people who were the makers behind this film, they are, disheartened that, all of these arrangements had been made. In fact, there were several cuts that were also made to this movie after, the first screening by the committee, the certification committee there. There were almost close to 20 cuts is what we are getting to learn of the film Jananayagan there. But it does look like there needs to be some more clarity that needs to be brought in for the certification to go ahead, and that's where this delay has been going ahead. Yes, the fans are
it's definitely, yes, Apurva, it's been very disheartening for all the fans out there, and that's something we can see in the very visuals around you as well, how empty that theatre is in what would have been if the approval had come in for this movie and it had not been delayed.